Hello, good morning, welcome to the video. I am currently in Oberammergau, Germany, and that is a town that is located in the southern portion of Germany in the Bavarian Alps. So I'm going to be here for about a week exploring the area, and I think this area is most known for a passion play that they put on every 10 years, and that started back in 1633 when the bubonic plague was sweeping through Europe, and the villagers vowed to put on a passion play depicting the life and death of Jesus in hopes that they would be spared from the plague. So ever since then, they've been putting on this passion play every year that ends in a 0. And it was supposed to happen in 2020, but we all know what happened in 2020. So it got postponed to this year, 2022. And that play ran from May through October of this year. There are other things to do in this area, like hiking or taking a cable car up to a peak where there's a restaurant. I think they have a few of those around here. And they also have an Alpine Coaster. I'm hoping to do the Alpine Coaster in one of the cable cars later in the week when my husband can join me. Today I'm just going to be walking in the center of the town, and I'm going to be taking in all the sights and hopefully do a little shopping, and I'll take you guys along with me. So let's go. That's so cool. Right now we're driving to Garmisch, which is a 30-minute drive south of Oberammergau. And when we get there, we're going to take the Wankbahn. That's a mountain cable car that takes you up to a summit where you can get amazing views of the Alps. ride is going to take 18 minutes total. It's a pretty long time.
You ready?
Here we go.
Ready?
Dang.
No, what?
The hills are alive with the sound of music. Oh.
This is actually way over on the other side of the city. So you can climb up.
So that peak there, we think is the Zugspitze, and that is the tallest mountain peak in Germany. So this is really nice. This building is where we got off the cable car, and there's a little playground for kids and some loungers over there. Some loungers behind me. Perfect place to come and hang out. Another day, another adventure. Okay, so we're on the Kolben-Sesselbahn, and we're gonna take this up the mountain. Here's our ride. Ski lift.
Welcome to the Alpine Coaster. Please note the following security rules. Push the levers forward to accelerate, pull the levers back to brake. The Alpine Coaster cannot fall off the rails. Drive quickly and with foresight, and pay attention to the signs, and don't stop for no reason. Keep at least 25 meters away from the person in front of you. In wet conditions, at least 15 meters. And don't bump into other sleds in front of you. Do not stretch your arms or legs out of the Alpine Coaster. Please show us with a thumbs up that you understand the rules. Have fun and have a good time.
We survived the Alpine Coaster. The ride was about 6 minutes long. Very fun, exhilarating. You could ride it by yourself or tandem like we did. How'd you like it?
It was fun. I'm surprised at how fast you could go if you wanted to be obnoxious with it. But I didn't want the ride to be any shorter, so
Yeah.
it was a blast.
The last thing I want to share is this delicious dessert called Kaiserschmarrn, which is a popular dish in Bavaria and Austria. We tried several of these while here, and we found our favorite version at this restaurant. It's a slightly sweet, fluffy pancake that's usually shredded or cut into pieces and served with applesauce and berries. As you can see here, this version is slightly different. We have a pancake served whole in a skillet with stewed apples, cranberries, and vanilla ice cream on the side. So good. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.